Hi everybody.
Hey guys.
It's Dr. Tim.
Dr. Peter.
And we just thought we would make a short video that would give you some tips and some tricks about proper shoveling technique. We're actually filming this video on December, what was it, the 19th today?
19th today,
19th of 2022. And we got a big snowfall last night, and it puts a lot of stress on your body. So the first thing we recommend is that you do a good warm-up before you start shoveling. If you don't have a stretch sheet from inside the office, we would recommend you get a lower back stretch sheet and spend a little bit of time, maybe 5 or 10 minutes, doing some warming up, some stretching before you start shoveling. That's the first tip. Dr. Peter, can you give me the first couple of most important rules that you want to follow to prevent injury when you're shoveling?
Definitely. All right, so the first thing, right, is when you're shoveling, you want to bend with your knees, not your back. So you're going to push the snow, right, and instead of lifting it up like this, you're going to bend your legs and pick it up like that, throw it down, all right? Now, what I also find is that quite often when the snow is wet, it can be really heavy. So, if you're having problems with, or you have a history of low back pain, you probably don't want to take a full scoop, maybe a half scoop, lift up with your legs and throw it that way instead, okay? That'll help save your back. All right, what about you, Dr. Tim? What other advice could you give some of the patients?
Really good tip. So first tip was lift with your legs, keep the amount of snow light. And to go with that, if it's possible, rather than lift the snow, if you can just shove it to the side. If you have enough space that you don't even have to lift it, that's probably the best thing, prevents you from lifting it at all. To go with that, the other rule that Dr. Peter was saying is that when you lift with the legs, one of the things that a lot of people do is they do a twisting motion when they're throwing the snow. So what you want to do is when you lift that snow up, when you're throwing it, you want to step forward and try to keep your body square to the snow as you're throwing it. You want to try to eliminate as much twisting motion as you can. So we've got warming up, we've got keeping the load light, we've got lifting with your legs, and we've got avoid twisting or rotational movements. And barring all that, get somebody to help you on a day like this, like Dr. Peter.
Yeah, our services are for hire.
That's right. Anyways, there's some simple tips to help you with your shoveling and to help you avoid and prevent injury. And then the best recommendation to go with that as well is to make sure that you get checked for subluxation and get adjusted on a day like this where you're moving more snow. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know if you have any questions.
Bye for now.